Hello friends, I am DK and I welcome you to your tutorial series Zero to Hero. This is episode number 44 and friends, today we are going to discuss a very important topic which concerns majority of the traders in the market. Friends, that is how to avoid false breakout. We many a times fall into the trap of a false breakout because we fail to assess the nature of the very breakout which has taken place in the market, and we hurriedly enter into a trade which finally results into either loss or the trade doesn't become a successful trade. So friends, if you're watching this video, have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe, enable the notification bell so that you are always updated all the time for new videos. And friends, if you're interested to know all about the membership program of this channel, you can access through the link given in the description box below of this video and know all about the perks and benefits that are being offered under various types of membership program of the channel, which is being run in collaboration with YouTube. So friends, let us move ahead to understand the very important topic of how to avoid the false breakout. We will learn in this session what are the points that should be borne in the mind before we initiate a trade in case of a breakout. So friends, how do you avoid false breakout? The bigger question here is, can we really avoid breakout, false breakout? So you might be wondering, is it possible to identify the kind of false breakout? It's a real breakout or a false breakout? So let me clearly tell you that it is simply not possible to avoid false breakout all the time. But what we can do is minimize the chances of a trade getting failed due to false breakout. So we can, to a large extent, avoid the false breakout if we follow certain procedures, certain methods, which I am going to share with you today. So bear in mind very clearly that you cannot avoid false breakout all the time, but to a large extent you will be successful to avoid the breakout so that your winning rate is not very much compromised. So you will always have a good chance of winning when you adopt or resort to a trading when there is a breakout. So friends, in order to have a good success rate in breakout trading, we must bear in mind always while trading the breakouts certain factors which I am going to share with you. Those are, friends, number one, never chase the parabolic move. What do I mean to say? When there is a breakout after a parabolic move, we should avoid that kind of trade. I will discuss this over the chart also so that you develop the concept of what I am trying to emphasize. Never chase the parabolic move resulting in a breakout. Then friends, the second very important aspect is that whenever the breakout takes place, you check out the proper build-up before the breakout has taken place. Now what do you mean by the build-up? This also I will explain you when I take up an example on the price chart so that you conceptually develop. Once I said the point number 1 and the point number 2 are interlinked. When there is a parabolic rise and the breakout has taken place, we must avoid. What does it mean? When there is a consolidation kind of band near the resistance area before the breakout has taken place, that is called build-up. I'll explain this in detail to you. And the third important point is check out whether the breakout is decisive in nature or not. When I say that there is a breakout and there is a decisive breakout. Breakout means when a candle closes above the resistance area, technically it is a breakout. But when that candle, the breakout candle has the opening below the resistance area, it is not a decisive breakout. Means the breakout candle should have opening and closing above that supply zone, above that resistance line. And such breakout may result in a better trading results ultimately. Ultimately what we want? We want to take up the trade, a quality trade where the probability of success is higher. That is why we take all these precautions so that our winning rate is not compromised. And the fourth important point is check out the volume at breakout. There should be increase in the volume, there should be surge in the volume when breakout takes place. This point I am not going to cover because we have covered this aspect many a times on this channel. Simply you have to remember there should be a surge in the volume when breakout takes place with respect to the prior day volume. And if the volume is greater than the certain average that you take on the volume window, I normally use EMA 21 to check the volume aspect. If the volume bar is above EMA 21 when the breakout takes place, I consider it to be a good volume. And the fifth and final point is, once we have decided that it's a good breakout, after having seen the 4 points that I have discussed with you, we enter into designing the trading strategy. Very precise entry point, what should be the stop loss, and what is the expected target. It all depends whether you are taking up this trade as a swing trader or a positional trader. So the strategy will differ. However, the entry aspect would be the same. How we decide the entry? We put a buy stop order above high of the breakout candle, and if that order is triggered, we are into trade, or else we could avoid this false breakout situation. You might have seen several analyses on this channel. I think there are about 250-300 videos are there where we have done the analysis, explained you the trading strategy, the entry, stop loss, and the target aspect. There we have also explained you many a times as to how we should put the buy stop order when we are trading the breakout. And if that buy stop order doesn't trigger, we can avoid. Especially those who are the members of the channel, especially gold and diamond members, we share with them the high probability trade month on month. So they know how many times we could avoid the false breakout situation, and so our winning rate is very excellent. So let us move ahead to understand one by one what do I mean by parabolic move. So friends, let us determine ourselves that we will never chase the parabolic move even if there is a decisive breakout. What do I mean by the parabolic move? And if parabolic move results in the breakout, what should I follow as a strategy, as a trader? Which kind of a strategy would be better in this kind of situation? So let us have a look to this price chart. This was the resistance line which I have drawn. Let me select the pointer so that I can explain you better. This is the resistance line. We can see the rejection in the price, rejection in the price, rejection in the price, and here there is a decisive breakout. Here the candle has broken out, but prior to that there was no build up. You can see the price was continuously rising and the breakout has taken place. If this breakout is significant, there is no doubt about it. Price has gone up. Yes, price has gone up. But what could be the, when I say never chase this parabolic move, what should I do then? Then what I do, in this kind of parabolic move, I don't lose this trade. What I do, I set an alert on my chart on this line because there is always a tendency for a throwback. In this case, price is likely to retrace and test this resistance line, which will act as a support now. So price has retraced here, and then after retracement you can see the price has again bounced back from this key resistance area, now acting as a support. So this is a better point to act as a trader to make an entry for a long trade. So what should I do? Here I can set a buy stop order above high of this bullish piercing candle, and if that order is triggered, I am into trade. However, I have checked all other aspects like there is an increase in the volume or not. Even if there is a bounce back, there will be increase in the volume because there is an impulse towards buying. And once my order is triggered, what should be my stop loss? In breakout trading, this is a very strong support now. So 1 ATR below this resistance line, which will act as a support. So 1 ATR below the support line could be my stop loss, and I can trade along with this trade. This is the safer place to make an entry rather than to make entry here, which a breakout has taken place after a parabolic rise. So I hope you might have understood this very point. What do I mean by parabolic move? So before the breakout has taken place, we must ensure whether there is a proper build-up or not. Trading breakouts with a build-up is always desirable, which will yield better winning rate. And we are interested in better winning rate. It is not important how many trades you take. It is very, very important how many times you take the trades which are quality trades, and the probability of winning in those trades are very, very high. So let us understand that it's very, very important to understand that what is built up, and we must check before the breakout has taken place. So one point, the breakout post parabolic rise should be avoided to undertake a trade. And second, if there is a build up, what kind of build up possibility is there? So let us take, the first thing could be, as the price moves towards the resistance area, as per the formation on the chart, there will be some kind of triangular kind of pattern, especially ascending triangle, before the breakout takes place. We have already covered the triangular pattern under our tutorial series 0 to hero. So you might be aware how the triangular pattern works. So there will be kind of ascending formation, like ascending triangle would be witnessed, and then breakout will take place. It's a good situation to undertake a trade on a long side. Second situation could be a formation kind of symmetrical triangle kind of thing, where there will be price would be narrowing in the range. When the price narrows in the range, there will be formation of symmetrical triangle. And then there is a breakout. Means I am talking about the breakout of the counter trend line. And then third situation could be the tight consolidation before breakout has taken place. And this tight consolidation will take place near the resistance zone, near the supply zone. A box-like shape would be formed in the market structure near resistance before the breakout candle forms. So let us go to the chart to discuss and understand all these aspects that I have shared with you. Now let us understand the build-up on the price chart. So have a look to this price chart. The price was getting rejected, rejection, 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 rejection and rejection. And what has happened in this particular thing? After a rejection, you can see this is the trend line which I have drawn, and this is the horizontal line. The combination of these two lines, the horizontal line and the line slanting up, the trend line, support, 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 it is a formation of a ascending triangle. And after this, the breakout has taken place. So this is a good breakout where we can undertake a trade. Can you see? It fell down multiple times. The rejection was there. Even the price reached here and it looked like there was a parabolic rise here. Continuously green candle was getting formed, and then there was a minor retracement before the breakout has taken place in a single candle with the formation of what kind of pattern? Here you can see the formation of morning star. So here it becomes a very good long trade entry after a built up has been observed on the price chart in shape of ascending triangle. And let us go to see another example under the build up. Have a look to this chart. What has happened? Rejection, 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 multiple rejection on this resistance line, and then there was a box like structure forming. There is a narrow range consolidation, very tight consolidation which has taken place here before the breakout candle was formed. There was a decisive breakout with the formation of breakaway candle, and hence such situation is very good to undertake a long trade if you are resorting to breakout trading. Now what should be the strategy? Put a buy stop order. This is the breakaway breakout candle, so put a buy stop order above high of this candle. The next day we are into trade because that high was broken. Our buy stop order got triggered. And what will be the stop loss? This is the resistance line which will act as a support. We can put 1 ATR below as stop loss and take this long trade. So this is a good situation when built up take place either in shape of tight consolidation or a kind of ascending triangle that we have already shared with you with an example. The entry strategy that helps. We should make an entry after a decisive breakout that already I have discussed with you. Now, entry above high of the breakout candle will help you to avoid false breakout to a large extent. Now you see the situation here. Let me select the pointer to explain you. There was a rejection, 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 and this is a formation of a symmetrical triangle, support, 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 and there was a breakout. Can you see this? This was a decisive breakout of formation of the candle with an opening and closing above this key resistance line, which was a counter trend line, falling trend line acting as a resistance was broken out. So we could have said we did not know whether it is a false breakout or a real breakout. What we would have done, we have put a buy stop order above high of this breakout candle, and if that order is not triggered, we could have avoided the false situation. And you see, the next day the buy stop order that we put was not triggered, so we avoided, and the price then corrected, had fallen. So in this situation, precise entry that we decide above high of the breakout candle is very, very helpful to avoid false breakout situation to a large extent. So friends, if you have liked this video presentation, give a lot of thumbs up. It motivates me. And friends, share this video among friend circle so that they also receive benefit out of these kind of tutorials on the channel, and in the process they will subscribe the channel to become the part of your and my family where learning is a continuous process. I would be expecting your comments in the comment section of this video, And friends, subscribe the channel, enable the notification bell so that you are well notified on time for upcoming uploads. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to meet you soon.